Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off relax mode on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and then tap on modes and routines. Next, in here, tap on relax. Now because I haven't set up relax mode yet, so I need to set it up before I can use it. So tap on the start button to begin the setup. Now the first thing that you can do is to set up the automatic option. This will allow your phone to automatically turn on relax mode when you are at a certain place or during a certain time period. So let's say I'm going to choose place, and then say here select a place. You can pick your place, work, or my current location. So that is for the place. Otherwise, the other option is the time period. So let's say between 10 a.m. So between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. so the end time. So during this time I want to have a relaxed period, and then from here you can choose which day to apply this schedule. So here I can select every single day during this time, then tap on done. So this is my relaxed time, then tap on next, and during your relaxed mode you can turn on or turn off do not disturb. You can choose to allow or don't allow calls and messages. If you want to allow calls, you can tap on that to change it. Here you can choose to allow all calls, all contacts only, or your favorite contacts only, or none. And the same for messages. You can also choose if text messages can send you text during this time. So let's say if I only want to receive text messages from my favorite contacts only during this mode, I can select that. After that, you can tap on the back key, then tap on the next button. The other option is the app notifications. So tap on that will allow you to add in a specific apps to send you notifications during your relax mode. So let's say I want to allow YouTube to send me any new videos notifications. I'm going to choose YouTube. Tap on done to close that. You can add in more than one app if you wanted to. So here another app I might want to receive notifications during the relax mode is Gmail. So tap on done. Then you can see that during this mode, the two apps that can send me notifications are YouTube and Gmail. Now tap on the next button to go to the next screen. In here, the two additional settings that you can apply: sound mode and volume. So during relax mode, perhaps you want to have a complete silence, so you can mute your device, then tap on done, or you can change other settings in here. You can change your ringtone volume, notifications volume, and system volume. So that's up to you. Tap on done. And power saving, you can also turn on power saving during this mode, on or off, and then tap on done to complete. And that's it. So now we have successfully set up relax mode. It is still off, however. To switch it on, you can tap on the turn on button manually. So this is a menu turning on the relax mode, or to manually switch it off. The other option is between 10 o'clock and 11 a.m. every day, the relax mode will automatically be switched on. And that's it. So that is the relax mode, how you can manually switch it on or off, or you can have it turn on automatically using schedule. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.